Having a healthy sex drive is linked to feeling physically and emotionally healthy, so it's no surprise that the foods you eat play a role in boosting your sex life. If you are looking for enhanced libido, then you have to eat the food that helps you get better climax, so here are a few food items that will help you stimulate your muscles and add that extra spice in your sex life. 1. Avocado. Avocado increase the blood flow and libido. Avocados have vitamin B6, folic acid and heart-healthy fats that give you more energy. Vitamin B6 is the most important and helps the hormone production in men. Avocados is the key for strong sex drive. They are eaten for better sex as they are rich in unsaturated fats and low in saturated fats. This helps in proper functioning of the heart and arteries. This makes the heart beat stronger, which helps in the free flow of blood throughout the body. 2. Nuts. Instead of candy, try snacking on a handful of nuts and seeds. They help increase passion and simulate sex. Indulgent nuts like almonds, cashew, hazelnut, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, pecans, hazelnuts, peanuts etc. to boost the nitric acid of your body. This will help to enhance arousal and increase the production of sex hormones and help in a better sexual performance. Add some crushed nuts to smoothies or salads as well. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries contain high levels of zinc. It's actually the seeds that contain the zinc, but unlike most fruit, we consume strawberry seeds. Zinc helps improve our sex lives in many ways. It's the nutrient that governs testosterone, which sperm production depends upon. Furthermore, when women consume foods high in zinc, there is a notable increase in vaginal lubrication, which helps prepare a woman's body for sex. Strawberries are high in vitamin C, which improves your sex life in many ways. 4. Oysters. In spite of their slippery texture, they are also best known for their prodigy act. Since they are rich in zinc, they are also essential for men's reproductive and sexual function. The protein in oysters help increase stamina, so if you want your man, or women to last longer in bed, have oysters for lunch or dinner. Oysters are rich in zinc, which could boost your sex drive by helping to improve blood flow and hormone levels. 5. Figs. Figs are filled with fiber, with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which is important for the heart. It also acts as an excellent fertility booster. A fig's scent and texture is very aromatic and sensual. They are a luscious fruit to eat yourself or feed to your lover. It even looks sexual eating them. 6. Dark chocolate. Chocolate contains the chemicals phenylethylamine and serotonin, which are thought to be mood boosters and mild sexual stimulants. Eating chocolate makes you feel good, even euphoric. But the aphrodisiac qualities of chocolate are more about the sensual pleasure of how it melts in your mouth than as a sexual stimulus. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are considered a love drug due to its soluble fiber. It helps clear mood, killing cholesterol. It helps in free blood flow and increases the chances of arousal and helps in great circulation of blood. 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is full of water and prevents you from getting dehydrated. It also helps to relax the blood muscles and increase blood flow to the 6 organs, which in turn contributes to the hotter sex life. Watermelon improves your erection and increases your libido. They also contain citrulline, which releases amino acids, and arginine in the body. Arginine is responsible for vascular health. 10. Certain meat. Eating meats, or other foods that contain specific amino acids, could help improve your sex life. Various high-protein foods including beef, chicken, and pork contain compounds that help to improve blood flow. Smooth blood flow is crucial to sexual response in people of all genders. 11. Salmon. Salmon is well known for having heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. The pink-fleshed fish, as well as sardines, tuna and halibut, could play a role in keeping your body and your sex life healthy. Omega-3s help prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Fatty fish like salmon keep your heart healthy, promoting healthy blood flow around the body. 12. Red wine. Red wine contains quercetin, an antioxidant that boosts blood flow. Moderate intake of red wine can make higher sexual desire, lubrication, and overall sexual function. Drinking red wine in moderation might increase sexual desire and function, though drinking in excess can have the opposite effect. 13. Beets. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, making a healthful addition to any diet. They're also high in dietary nitrates, which means they could help boost your sex life. Nitrate-rich foods, like beets and beet juice, can help manage blood pressure and improve circulation. 14. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are packed with polyphenols. Polyphenols are compounds associated with decreased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. They are also thought to relax blood vessels and increase the delivery of blood to the brain and heart. 15. Ground flax seeds. This superfood is known for its rich antioxidant properties and for increasing blood flow to the sexual organs. Flax seeds keep you vibrant, as they contain lignans. These are estrogen-like chemicals that have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. Most of the above food options are not only sex boosters but also healthy eating. While certain foods can keep your blood pumping and boost hormone levels, diet alone isn't always enough to improve your sex life. Talk to your doctor if lack of desire, pain during intercourse, or impotence is holding you back from enjoying an intimate relationship with your partner. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.